If you know how to create professional animations, transitions, and triggers in PowerPoint, you can create stunning results. So in today's video, I'm going to show you my most impressive creation that I'm really proud of and that you wouldn't guess that is PowerPoint at all. If you want to learn how to do this, I'll also put the full link tutorial in the description below. You can find it there. So what we have here is an opening slide, and as soon as we click, we have our elements fly in. So we see the different products. Now the cool part is that you can do it in a non-linear way. So let's say we want to start with the red one first. Well, what we can do is we just hover our mouse over the red one and it will just totally transform the slide. Now let's say we want to go to the green ball and we just hover to the green ball and we see everything changes, the entire layout of the slide changes. Then we can go back to red if we want. And then we just get that information again, and we can also go to the yellow part. So you see how you can just navigate through whichever order that you want, and you can also go to that home button if you just want to go to the basic state again. So that is a really cool thing about this presentation, is that you can just go in whichever order that you like, and you get that animation effect, you get that morph effect in place, you get that hover and that timing effect to really get some stunning results in your presentation. Now this really shows that if you know how to use professional animations, transitions, and triggers, that you can create some stunning results. If you want to learn how to apply these in a professional setting, I have an entire program about professional animations, transitions, and triggers that you can find via the link in the description below. That will teach you so much about PowerPoint that you would never imagine.